Hi everyone, I've got a Fiat Ulysse here on a 2003-2004. Just doing a service on this car. I'm going to show you how to reset it. It's quite a simple procedure on this one. This is the car. If you've got the same one, you know what to do. Now this one, if I switch the ignition on, if you can see, it's minus 22,000. Right? To service reset this is quite a simple procedure. You switch the ignition off and you got to basically hold this button, right, and then switch the ignition on at the same time, and the countdown will start. We'll show you how it's done. Right, now that I've got two hands, what I'm going to do, I'm going to press this button, switch the ignition on. You'd see right there you've got the countdown. As soon as it gets to 0, it'll reset everything. Now let go of the button, switch the ignition off, switch the ignition back on. Now it's in plus 18,000 miles. That's when the next service is due on this. Any more information, please do let us know, and we'll try helping you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.